Complete guide on group class management in Easy Gym software. Adding group class package, creating group class schedule, understanding regular group class and one-time classes, understanding booking, view group class schedule, edit group class schedule, selling or billing group class package, see schedule and make bookings from dashboard, class bookings from Easy QR portal or your business website. See bookings, cancel bookings, check client profile, see session reports. Let's start adding group class package in the main navigator. Manage in settings, group class packages. Add package name, validity of package in days, price, class type. Now class type is the type of group class. This package will include like yoga, aerobics, kickboxing. You can add one or more than one. Your client can also book class types including in this class package. Let's select yoga and aerobics. Maximum classes. It means the number of maximum class that can be booked or enjoyed by your client after purchasing this package. Status active. Billing a new client for a group class, main navigator, billing and payments, group class bill. Invoice ID is auto-generated. Invoice data is auto-filled. Membership ID is for your reference and can be customized as per your business. Client name. Let's add a new client. Name, number, email. Click on save. You can add email. Client source, from where your client came to know about your business. Gender, birthday, anniversary. Please note, Easy Gym will give you a pop-up on the dashboard for birthday as well as anniversary. Also, Easy Gym will automatically send greetings, SMS and email to your client on their special days. Enter profession, tax ID, workout hours, address, remarks, and also add client photo directly from the webcam or from your local disk of your computer. On the right, select joining date, package we made. End date is auto-filled. Sessions, number of sessions are auto-filled, but it can be editable by admin, not employee level login. Discount, taxes, amount paid and mode. Hit save. Bill is auto-sent to the client on email and SMS. Creating group class schedule. Manage in settings. Group class schedule. You can see the calendar and it has to be existing group class schedule. You can double click and make a booking for your client. View bookings or cancel the class. Please note, when you cancel any class, all clients have the book this session will get a refund of this session. They can use the refund session in another session. You can also edit the session by clicking Edit Class Session. If you wish to change time, date, description or anything. To create a new schedule, click on this pink button, Create New Schedule. Now class type. Let's imagine you want to make a schedule for yoga. Then select yoga from the drop down. Let's enable Open for Bookings and enable Booking can be cancelled. Booking starts. How much time before? Let's enter 48 here. It means class booking will open 48 hours prior to the class time. And before how much time booking will be closed? Let's put 1 here. It means booking for this yoga session will be closed before 1 hour. No booking can be cancelled less than 1 hour. Is booking mandatory? This will show on Easy portal or your website that this session requires prior bookings and no walk-ins will be entertained. Max seat available. It means how many clients can book. Like we might need to limit the seats to 10 people and don't want more than 10 people in this session. That time, this field will restrict more than 10 people to book this session. this session will be closed after 10 clients book class. And if someone cancels the booking from the Easy portal before the cancellation limit of 1 hour, then the other client can book the class. Trainer, select trainer who will give the session. Time from and time to. Set session start and end time. Class schedule one time or regular. One time means the class will happen only once on a particular date and above selected time. This function is useful when you have some special class or guest trainer class. But when you have a regular class that happens frequently or daily, then use regular option. When you select regular, the date field is replaced by days. Let's select days on which the session will be happening. Venue will auto come from your business details, but you can edit it. Description, enter description of this group class. Image. Enter an image of this class like a promo image that will reflect on your Easy portal or website. Hit add new class type. You can find this new class session of the dashboard. Dashboard. Only left menu. Today's schedule. When you double click, a pop-up will open. Read these two lines. How many seats are booked and how many more bookings can be done. Just want to tell you, booking will be only enabled when seats are available and booking conditions are valid. You can select client name and hit submit. But before, let me explain a quick brief about these three buttons. Cancel bookings. When the class is cancelled, all bookings will be refunded to the client profile. View bookings. This button will show bookings made for this session. Edit class schedule. If you wish to edit class, time, details, use this. And now let's continue with bookings and hit submit. Done. And let's check bookings. Go on dashboard and hit on group class bookings. Easy Gym assumes that if session time is passed, there is no cancellation. It means the session is delivered to the client. But if you wish to customize and want Easy Gym software to check whether the client really came for the session, we can check with the attendance. And if the client came 15 minutes before or after 15 minute session start time, then Easy Gym software will mark session delivered. You can connect with our sales and support team to get it customized however you want. But to keep it simple, let's assume that if someone booked session and haven't cancelled the session, will be marked delivered and session will be deducted from the client package. Let's see how to check the number of sessions used and pending for any particular client. Go to clients from the main navigator. Click on profile. Go to bookings. You will see bill details, package type, total sessions, booked or used sessions. And when you click on view history, you can see the complete history of bookings, cancellations and deliveries. To see a report of total sessions booked or delivered, let's jump to main navigator. Reports, session. Select date. You will see all personal training and group class sessions delivered, pending or cancelled here. Please note, report selection is only visible to admin level account and all reports in Easy Gym can be exported to Excel. Let me show you how bookings can be made from Easy QR portal or website by your client. Before that, we want to introduce a little bit about Easy QR portal. Many of you want to get an app from your gym and fitness studio, but iOS or Android both cost you too much, and not just one time but annually they cost you. Users don't download apps that don't belong to the big brands. Just take a survey on your gym that how many of them will download the app, or see the competitor's gym. Hardly 5% clients will use the app. So Easy Gym came up with a unique free Easy QR portal, and it loads in less than 2 seconds for your client's phone internet browser. Believe us, it is free and 500% better user experience for your clients, and even your walk-ins. Coming back to bookings, go to this big icon, Book Group Class, and you will see all the class sessions like any movie booking site. Select session and client just needs to enter a registered number. If a client with the registered number will have a valid package and eligible to be booked for this class. Easy Gym will send OTP, and once OTP is entered by your client, session will be booked. Yes, it's that simple. Also, you can start selling a single session or a pack of 4 to 5 classes with Easy Gym's Easy QR portal. Connect with our team and we will assist you to the online payment getaway too.